Listen, can you hear it? That ticking clock, that beating heart, each sound is counting down. Each breath is borrowed time. Most people run from this truth, but champions, they let it F-U-E-L them. Every morning when you wake up, death has allowed you another day. Not promised, not guaranteed, allowed. While you waste time, the clock is ticking. While you make excuses, your heartbeat is counting down. While you wait for the right moment, death is laughing. Think about Apple's Steve Jobs' terminal cancer diagnosis. But did he stop? No. He looked death in the eyes and said, "Watch this." Created the iPhone, revolutionized technology, changed the world. He didn't have time for fear. He didn't have time for doubt. Death wasn't his enemy, it was his deadline. Look at Paul Walker. He knew every day could be his last. What did he do? Lived full throttle, built charities, created legacy, made impact. He didn't wait for tomorrow. He didn't wait for someday. He understood what you need to understand. Death doesn't wait for your schedule. You're afraid of failing? You should be afraid of dying without trying. You're afraid of judgment? You should be afraid of death judging the potential you wasted. Your heart is beating right now. But for how long? Tomorrow isn't promised. Next hour isn't promised. Next minute isn't promised. Look at Muhammad Ali, Parkinson's disease destroying his body. But did he hide? No! He became a humanitarian, a voice for justice, an inspiration for millions. His body was dying, but his impact, immortal. He didn't let death silence him. He made death wait while he changed the world. Wake up! This isn't a rehearsal. This isn't a practice run. You don't get to come back and do it better next time. Your dreams, they expire. Your potential, it has a deadline. That business you want to start, that goal you want to achieve, that life you want to create, death doesn't care about your plans. So let death be your motivation. Let mortality be your momentum. Let the reaper's whisper be your wake-up call. Because in the end, we all face the same truth. It's not about how much time you have. It's about how you use the time you have left. The clock is ticking. What are you going to do about it? Your time is now. Make it count.